the replacement of the wheels on this toolbox. You can see these things are just falling apart. I've had this toolbox probably 6 or 7 years. Bought it at Harbor Freight. And the toolbox part's been great. It was well worth the money, but the wheels are deteriorating. So 3 of the 4 wheels are almost gone completely. So you can see where they just leaving debris everywhere. So I bought some other wheels from Amazon. I looked for just some replacement wheels alone, just the 5-inch wheels, and the lowest price I could find was about $10 a piece. And this set of 4 replacement caster wheels was $35. So I'm gonna see if I can fit these on there. I don't think the holes, I don't think the brackets are gonna line up, so I will probably have to drill new holes, or a couple of new holes on each one of these. Yeah, the brackets aren't gonna line up. They're just a little bit off, maybe about 1/2 inch. And if that doesn't work out, I'll just probably take these wheels off of these brackets and put it on the other brackets. One of those 2 options. Quick update on the replacement wheels for the Harbor Freight toolbox. They turned out okay, and they roll pretty good. Caster wheels on one side, just like the originals, and then fixed wheels on the other side. On the inside though, you'll see that they didn't come close to matching up with the old holes. So I had to drill new holes to line these up, but it was worth it. Replacing the wheels on this toolbox, I think I paid $60 or $70 for the toolbox to begin with, and the wheels, buying replacement wheels would have been $40, and I was able to buy this set of casters for just over $30. So just a Amazon special.